Ever wondered how a bass guitar works? It's a fascinating stringed instrument that's integral to many genres of music, from rock and pop to jazz and funk. At a glance, it might look similar to an electric guitar, but the bass guitar stands out with its unique characteristics. It has a distinctive low pitch that adds depth and rhythm to music, creating a foundation that other instruments build upon. Now let's break it down. A bass guitar consists of several key parts, each contributing to its sound and playability. These include the headstock, where the strings are attached, the neck, a vital part for playing different notes, and the body, which houses most of the electronics and hardware. Then there are the pickups, which convert string vibrations into electrical signals, and finally the bridge, the place where strings are attached at the other end. To understand how a bass guitar works, we need to delve into each of these parts. The headstock, a key component of the bass guitar, is where the strings are attached to the tuners. These tuners, or machine heads, are vital tools that adjust the tension of the strings, hence altering their pitch. Some bass guitars may also feature a string tree, a small yet significant metal piece that aids in maintaining the string's position and reducing the tension on the nut. Mastering the art of tuning is crucial to playing the bass guitar effectively. Connecting the headstock and the body is the neck of the bass guitar. The neck is a crucial component, housing a metal rod known as the truss rod. This rod runs through the neck's interior, providing the necessary stability and straightness. And guess what? If needed, you can adjust it using an Allen wrench. Now let's talk about the fretboard. A wooden piece that covers the front of the neck, the fretboard is adorned with metal frets and inlays. The frets, you see, are our musical dividers, segregating the fretboard into different notes. Inlays, on the other hand, are our markers, guiding us to certain positions on the fretboard. So how do we play different notes on the fretboard? Well, you can use your fingers or a pick to press the strings down against the frets. And voila, you've got your note. Remember, nailing your note starts with understanding the neck of your bass guitar. The body of the bass guitar houses most of the electronics and hardware. This part of the instrument can come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each offering a unique style and design. From the iconic precision and jazz bass designs to more experimental shapes, the body of a bass guitar is a canvas for creativity. The materials used in the body, whether it's wood, metal or plastic, play a crucial role in the overall sound and feel of the instrument. Woods like alder, ash or mahogany can give your bass a warm, rich tone, while other materials might offer something a bit different. Now let's talk about the knobs and switches you'll find on the body. These are for controlling the volume and tone of the sound. Some bass guitars are equipped with active electronics, needing a battery to function, while others use passive electronics, which don't require a battery. Knowing your bass guitar's body allows you to control the volume and tone of your sound. Pickups are essential devices that convert string vibrations into electrical signals. They're strategically located under or near the strings on the body of the bass guitar. Now, there are different types of pickups, notably single coil and humbucker. Single coil pickups are known for their bright and clear sound. However, they can sometimes pick up noise from other sources. On the other hand, humbucker pickups offer a warm and fat sound, and they're designed to cancel out noise from other sources. By switching between pickups or using a blend of both, you can experiment with a range of tonal qualities. From crisp highs to mellow lows, the choice is yours to make. Your pickups play a pivotal role in defining your bass guitar's sound. The bridge of the bass guitar is where strings find their other end. Now, the bridge isn't just a static chunk of metal. It's a complex component that plays a crucial role in how your instrument sounds and plays. See those little things that look like ramps? Those are called saddles. Each string rests on its own saddle, which can be adjusted to change the string's height or action and length or intonation. The action affects how easy the strings are to press down, and the intonation ensures that your bass stays in tune up and down the neck. So, in essence, the bridge is your tool for fine-tuning your bass to your liking. Understanding your bass guitar's bridge allows you to fine-tune your instrument's action and intonation.